Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods. This time I'm showing you a real royal setup. A dining set, 8 chairs, 8-seater with a table that is very different from a regular dining table that you generally see. I'll come to the table later. Let me show you the chairs first. And this is a royal setup, as I mentioned. So, something you may have seen for the palaces or for the king style. This is the one. I'll start with the master chair, and the master chair is very different from what you may have seen so far. This is the master chair. The master chair is the one with the handles, and this has got a lion face and an extremely beautifully carved, very nicely carved lion face. The animal figures are the thing that can easily define the craftsmanship of any artisan, because these things are very difficult to make. The features of a face, and here, if you see closely, the lion face is so well crafted. The hair on the head, the lion's teeth, and the nose design and the cutting, everything is remarkably cut out and carved out to show you the design. And this is the kind of master artisans Aarsun have, and that is why we are getting praise and blessings from across the globe, because we are making these masterpieces by hand, is handwork, and delivering across the globe. Now, this chair alone, if you just look at this chair, this can define what we are doing. The spiral design in the hand, this side handles, pillars, and then the overall looks. And another thing you will notice is the leg part of the unit. When we have the lion face, we have the paws, and that is what makes it a complete chair. Similar to the king chair, we have the queen's chair. Two master chairs we generally have in a set. So king and queen chair, and then 6 chairs without the handles. So these are regular chairs. But regular doesn't define what we make. And this is not the regular stuff that you get in a local shop, in a local furniture showroom, and even the best manufacturers or the makers. Because this is an art and it involves a lot of experience. Only the best guys can make something like this. I'll show you the chair without handles also. Very spacious. The back height is close to 5 feet, so quite tall, and that gives it the real royal look. Quite wide sitting area as compared to a regular chair, and the complete 360-degree look you can have it here. In solid teak wood, walnut finish, gloss finish, and the output right here. From the chair, I'll move on to the dining. And as I mentioned, this dining is very different from what we have shown you so far. Generally, the dining has four-leg concept or it has pillar concept. So you get in any rectangular dining, you get 4 legs, and in round dinings, you get pillar concept or the concept of pillars in rectangular also. But this has got different design altogether. And this is again from a catalog image, a software image, a computer image that is converted to reality right here. The fine carving that we have on this on solid wood, this is solid wood, this is not hollow, this is all solid wood, and that is very durable and sturdy, and it's a very heavy unit in weight also. because all solid wood makes it quite heavy unit. It's a solid top, so you can place a glass, marble, granite, onyx, what you like on top of it, and it's ready for use. If you don't want to put anything, use the table mats and it's ready to serve. Overall, a magnanimous, a durable, a beautiful, and a masterpiece of dining tables that you see here. And I'm sure you have not seen this design so far in any of the real setups. What Arson does is what you want. You tell us something, you let us know that this is something you want in this color, in this fabric pattern, in this type of shades, and we try and do that 99% whatever possible, and we deliver across the globe. This one is going to Hyderabad and we deliver out of India also. If you look at the testimonial section of our website, you will find hundreds and hundreds of actual images from the client's place, and that is what we have already done. I can surely say about this, you will not find a single website or a single manufacturer or a single maker like us, because we are not manufacturers, we are makers. We make by hand, we don't use big machines. You will not find one single person who can show you so much real stuff, real delivered stuff in the client's place. And the testimonial section that is still running on the screen, that is a testimony to that fact. Everywhere across the globe, we have delivered. If you want to see more designs, you can visit our website, arsonwoods.com, or check us on YouTube. Type Arson, you will find more than 700 videos to showcase our stuff. Hope you like our work. If you have some comments, some questions, some feedbacks, you want to know about the pricing, the number is right here. Phone, WhatsApp, Telegram, Pinterest, Instagram. Anyways, you want to contact us, we are available. Hope you like the work. Thank you. Dhanyavad.